Let me show you how to adjust PubG game settings. So at first you have to open your game, then in the lobby locate settings icon right here and click on it and go to basic settings section. Here it is. And what you can do here is change aim assist. You can disable or enable. You can block sight warring if you want to. Then you can change the shotgun firing mode. You can release it or tap it. Then bolt action, pick and fire, you can disable or enable it as well. You can pick open scope, I will enable this one. You can change the scope mode from hold mixed to tap. Also you can change the display left side fire button, you can scope on, close or always on. And then you can just come along with the whole settings and change those that you find most comfortable. So for example, you can activate auto open doors, or you can switch them off, or you can activate sliding or not right here. So this is how you can smoothly and easily access basic settings section in your device. And then you can also go to graphic options right here and select the colors, the style effect. So as you can see, you can pick realistic, colorful, classic, movie or soft. Just choose the one that you would like to have. You can also activate the frame rate right here. It can be low or medium, or add some graphic settings, so it can be the highest version or the smooth one. It will definitely work a bit faster. Then you can also change the controls here. Just click on customize, and here simply by tapping on some particular control you can change it so you will feel comfortable while you're playing your game. So smoothly click on some particular icon. Here you can change the button size. As you can see now, I made it bigger. Here you can make it also smaller. Then you can change the transparency, and for example, let me put it here. Then I will put this one here and make it a bit bigger by tapping on the button size. And as you can see, now it's huge. To save the changes, just click on save, and if you would like to reset it, click on reset. I will save it. As you can see, layout has been uploaded, so we can exit and go back to the settings. Now you can also change the car riding here, so just select the one that you would like to have. Just take a look and find out which one would be most comfortable for you. Pick sensitivity, so here you can check the camera sensitivity and also the overall sensitivity, so it can be low, medium, high or customize. This is the one that we've already done. And just come along with all the settings and then adjust it to your needs. Then go to pickup, and also here you can change all the settings smoothly by tapping on these scales. And if you will mix something with them, and if you will have some issues while playing, you can smoothly go back to defaults by tapping on defaults and click on OK that you would like to restore default pickup settings. Then you can change the scope right here. As you can see, the color is changing, but I think the red is the best one. But as you can see, you can have whichever you want to. Now you can also change the audio, so you can pick some lower or higher voltage. It's up to you. We can put up a bit microphone and the speaker, then let me put it a bit lower. Then you can change the language, so as you can see, you can choose the interface language here, but I will stay with English. And in downloads, you are able to download some additional files to your device, to your PubG game. So that would be all. This is how you can adjust settings in your device. As you can see, you've got plenty of options, so you can make it very comfortable to play on your phone. So that's basically all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.